everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and this is the first time you've landed on one of my videos, my name is Kyla and this is a recap of all my sewing makes for the month of August. Let's get started. I first made this dress last year out of a gold linen, and I love the style so much that I just had to make it again out of this chocolate brown linen. I love the simplicity of the style, being that the sleeves are connected to the bodice. There's just a front and back for the bottom skirt, 2 ties in the back. I did add pockets, and I'm done. This is definitely a style that packs well, it's comfortable, and I will definitely be wearing this for more hot summers to come. This pattern has been in my stash for a while, and when I came across this light blue wash linen, I thought it would be perfect for it. It was a little bit intimidating when I got into the pattern as far as the placement of the pleats, but once I figured that step out, it was easy, just as the pattern is marked. It's definitely a dress that I'll pull out year after year, and I like that it can be dressed for a casual or a dressy occasion as well. Okay, so I think this is what it's supposed to look like. It's coming together. I see the gentle folds that are in the front, and then I make the French seam to go around the back of the neck and attach my facing to it. So I think I'm on the right track. see what we have here. She's got, wow, ooh, a ton of ties for me to work with. Wow. Okay, so it looks like the mainstay color or background on most of his ties is navy blue. So I may use that color just to connect some of them as I overlap them. And I think I'll just lay them across each other because I want to lay as flat as possible on the pillow. I think trying to stitch them together and then opening them up, yeah, might make it a little bit puffy there. So I just want to keep them flat. And it'll be less complicated as well. She wasn't picky about what I put together, so I'm just going to mix these up and have a really nice eclectic look for her. I'll probably have some left and she may be able to do something else with them. This is a very special make for one of my friends whose father passed away last year, and she wanted something to remember him by. She has all of his clothes and wasn't ready to part with all of them, so she kept some of his ties, asked me if I could make something with them, and I came up with this idea for some pillows. She liked it so much that we're going to use some more of his ties to make a couple more. This is a pattern that, as you can see, I've had for a very long time. I've held on to it since the 90s, but it's an oldie but goodie. I have this stretch knit fabric that I thought would be perfect to make this column style dress. No interfacing, no zipper, buttons, just fabric and the thread. It was a quick and easy make and a nice way for me to close out the summer. This little curly lettuce leaf technique at the bottom was shown to me by some of the older ladies that I worked with when I worked at Minnesota Fabrics, and they changed their name to Hancock Fabrics back when I was in college. I learned a lot from those little ladies. A lot of them are deceased now, but the things that they taught me stayed with me. A remake, a new pattern make, a very special custom make, and an old favorite. Now you're all caught up? To see the full video tutorials, check out my sewing playlist. And thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye guys.